Alright, let me ask you something. What if I told you you don't need a big, expensive drone to get those insane cinematic shots anymore? No crazy setup, no heavy gear, no $1,000 price tag, just something small, simple, and surprisingly powerful. Yeah, sounds a little hard to believe, because most people still think better footage only comes from bigger, more expensive drones. But here's the truth, that idea is outdated. A lot of people are spending way more than they actually need to, and they don't even realize it. And that's exactly what we're breaking down today. Because this drone right here might completely change the way you look at budget drones. Today, we're taking a real, no-nonsense look at the DJI Mini 4K, a drone that doesn't look like much at first, but once you get it in the air, you start to see why so many people are sleeping on it. So before you go out and spend your money on your next drone, you might want to watch this till the end. Because there's one thing about this camera that most people completely ignore, and once you notice it, it can seriously level up your footage. So let's start from the top. First impression. This thing is small. Like, really small. You can literally fold it up, throw it in your bag, and forget it's even there. And that might not sound like a big deal, but it actually is. Because the easier something is to carry, the more you're going to use it. And that's the difference between a drone that just sits at home and one that actually captures moments. And here's another big advantage. It's under 250 grams. That means in a lot of places, you don't have to deal with registration or extra rules. You just take it out, power it on, and fly. Simple as that. For beginners, that's huge. But let's get into what really matters, the camera. Because at the end of the day, nobody cares how small a drone is if the footage looks bad. And honestly, this is where it surprises a lot of people. You're getting real 4K video, not fake, not stretched, actual sharp footage that looks clean, especially in good lighting. And what I like about it is the colors. They're not overly saturated or fake looking. They're natural, which means your footage already looks more professional without needing heavy editing. Now here's the part most people overlook. Stabilization, because shooting in 4K doesn't matter if your footage is shaky. This drone comes with a 3-axis gimbal, and that makes a massive difference. It keeps everything smooth, even when there's a bit of wind or movement. So instead of shaky clips, you get that clean, cinematic feel that people actually want. And this is the thing I mentioned earlier that people ignore. Smoothness matters more than resolution. A stable 4K shot will always look better than a shaky high-end shot. Now let's talk about real-world flying, because specs are one thing, but how it actually feels in the air is what really counts. And for a drone this size, it performs really well. It stays stable, it responds smoothly, and it doesn't feel out of control. Even in light wind, it holds its position better than you'd expect. It's not built for crazy conditions, but for everyday use, it does exactly what you need. And if you're a beginner, this is where it gets even better. Takeoff, one tap. Landing, one tap. The controls are simple. The app guides you through everything, and within minutes, you're already flying confidently. You don't need experience. You don't need training. You just start, and it works. Now let's talk about battery life, because this is where a lot of drones start to fall apart. But here, you're getting close to 30 minutes of flight time. And that's actually a big deal, because instead of rushing every shot, you can slow down, think about your angles, and actually capture better footage. You get time to experiment. And that's how you improve. And then there's the connection. This is something DJI does really well. The signal is strong, the live video feed is smooth, and you're not dealing with annoying lag or random disconnects. It just works the way it should. Now, of course, no drone is perfect. There's no obstacle avoidance here. So, yeah, you have to pay attention while flying. This isn't one of those drones that will stop itself before hitting something. And low light performance? It's okay, but this drone really shines during the day. That's where you get the best results. But honestly, for the price you're paying, these aren't deal breakers. Because what you're getting here is insane value. You're getting a trusted drone, real 4K camera, smooth stabilized footage, solid battery life, and super easy controls, all packed into something that fits in your bag. So who is this for? If you're just getting started, this is perfect. If you're creating content for YouTube, travel videos, or social media, this is more than enough. And even if you just want something fun that can also capture great footage, this is an easy choice, because at the end of the day, it's not about having the most expensive drone. It's about having something you'll actually use. And this, you'll use it. So, here's the bottom line. Small, powerful, and worth every bit of the price. That's the DJI Mini 4K.